What are your thoughts on bone broth? Don't like cooked food. People who follow paleo ketogenic diet, which is cooked, end up with pretty shitty skin in their 70s, 80s with spots all over the place from the cooked food. There are special cases to heal your gut. In general, if you, let's just say you want cooked food, well, then of course go for bone broth. It's better than pretty much any cooked food, probably, if you make it without salt. Because if you make it without spices, it doesn't really taste very good at all. I've tried it. It's been a while, but I've tried it and it's pretty. I don't like it. My senses tell me not to anyway. But yeah, there's specific cases. But you gotta understand, it's cooked collagen and everything, and all that stuff in there is destroyed also partly. For example, if there was bone marrow, then you destroy all the fat soluble vitamins and the cells, the white blood cells, blah blah. So you don't get what you should out of it. And very important, let's say after everything I said, you actually still want to make bone broth. Most animals are vaccinated, and you're not gonna get healthy bones. When you make bone broth, all the heavy metals, lead and so on, mercury that is in the bones, boom, out of the pot, in your system, food poisoning, heavy metals, you're fucked. Yeah.
So yeah.
It's you would have to get really good bones to make bone broth.